Okay, quick demo of the Groves Slimeline Deluxe. It's got a Bareknuckle blue note in the front, P90, and then it's got a Duncan P rails in the bridge with all three sounds, single coil, which is the blade, centre is the blade and the P90, and then P90 only on the up. Blue note is wide with a bass cut, so you'll hear it here. Just takes that boominess out of the neck pickup P90. Works great for rhythm. When you want to kick it in for a lead, you just pull it back up. I'll give you a demo. Here you go. So here's with full P90. Tune it or die. Okay, here's a humbucker. This is all through our original 64 Fender Vibe reverb. With an original 808 tube screamer. And here's with the second tube screamer kicked in. Okay, P90. Back to one tube screamer. Single coil. Back to the blue note for a minute. Full bass cut wound up, on, off. Okay, we'll just knock a bit of the bottom end out of it. Clean it up a little bit. Just a quick demo for you. That's a Honduran mahogany body with a flame maple cap, bird's eye maple neck with an Indian rosewood fretboard, lightweight, hollow. If anyone wants to order one, they go for around $2 grand Aussie.